Hi friends, today we're taking a look at the step ladder. So as you guys can see, it's a nice thin design and I love that. It's lightweight, I would say light to medium weight. Metal construct. Easily opens up, which is nice. And then to fold, you just kind of take your hand and you bend it a little bit. So it's easy to use. Let's go ahead and show you guys. Okay, my friends. So, take a look here. It's nice, solid, and sturdy. We are 210 pounds. No problem. I like the steps. They're wide enough so you're not going to have any issues. There's nothing in your way, which I like. Some people like that you can hold, but I like because we can easily rotate it around. So if we're doing something, we can go 360 degrees around without having to step up, step down, or anything, which makes great for like a painter or different stuff. Easily move it around, no problem. And if you want to hop down the other side, you can easily do that. So that it makes it nice because you can step on it from either direction. So I really like this step ladder. I think you guys will too. And you just fold it. It's that simple, guys. Easy storage as well.